How to log in into your Costco ESS employee login account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Costco employee login account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Costco employee login. And after you do that, you'll find this website by Costco. Tap on it and open that up. So this is what you should be on. Here you can see that now you're on Costco employee website. What you'll then need to do is you can simply tap on current employee login. After you tap on it, you'll be redirected to another page where you should be able to sign in. So there we go. Now all you have to do is enter your username and then password and then tap on sign in. And doing that, you'll get signed in into your Costco ESS account. And yeah, that's basically how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.